I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Essential Blocks. Fetch it. Now go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Form submitted successfully. Go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, choose a unique value, for example form ID, in every form submitted. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Choose a unique key. Set action. Now search and select Google Drive. To get client ID and secret, please visit Google API Console. Search for Google Drive API. Click on Enable. Go to Credentials. Click on Create Credentials. Select OAuth Client ID. Application type, Web Application. Name, Bit Integrations. Go to Integration Dashboard and copy Authorized Redirect URI. Click on Add URI and paste it here. Click on Create. Now copy Client ID and paste it here. Copy client secret and paste it here. Now click on Authorize. Successfully authorized. Click on Next. Select Field Upload File and select your respective folder. You can also delete your files from WordPress by check this box. Click on Next. Click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Choose your file. Click on Send Message. Now let's check our Google Drive. As you can see, file uploaded successfully to Google Drive. Thank you for watching our video. Thanks for watching.